how to get the boarding pass on Rex Airlines. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm excited to show you how we can download or get a boarding pass on Rex Airlines. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Rex account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in on the home page, scroll down until you can see the section which says book flight, manage bookings, web check-in. Ensure you select web check-in. By selecting web check-in, you'll be taken to the page where you can check in online. Note that check-in is usually available 48 hours to your departure, to ensure you take note of that. So once you're on this page, enter in your booking reference that was sent to you after you made payments for the flight that you want to check in for. Then enter in your last number and click on retrieve booking. So by clicking on retrieve booking, you'll be taken to the page where the flights you'd like to check in will be displayed. And then you see the option check in, click on check in, and then after you've checked in successfully, a boarding pass would be sent to you. All right. So you can now print your boarding pass, or you can download a digital one to your mobile device. It's that simple. So after downloading, you can go to any printing center and then print out the boarding pass. So this is the major way you can get a boarding pass on Rex Airlines. Another alternative is if you prefer to check in at the airport, you can use one of the self-service kiosks available. Follow the prompts to check in and then print your boarding process. Or you can also get your boarding pass at the check-in counter. You must note that in order to get a boarding pass, you have to check in first, either online or physically. So that is it. Thank you for watching and go get your boarding pass now.